Welcome to the adventures of Fox and Miles. Follow our journey as Black creative nomads through life, love, and learning. We're sharing our story to inspire, encourage, and let you know we all have our own adventures to live. Whether it's travel, art, or relationships, we hope you enjoy the journey. One of our main goals for heading to Texas during our adventure was to attend the 2019 CD Baby DIY Musicians Conference in Austin, Texas. So we found an RV park that was an hour or so away from Austin to stay at until the time of the conference. Then, on the first day of the conference, we hit the road early, leaving Darla safely in the RV park for a few days while we went to Austin. This was the first time we were apart from Darla for an extended period of time. We were pretty nervous, but it was the most effective way for us to attend the conference. Parking rates for an RV in Austin during that time was way out of our budget. Thankfully, everything worked out.
We are in Austin. We think.
It's traffic.
There's traffic. It's the morning. It's 9:15. So it's still kind of, early. So we're on our way to a DIY music conference held in Austin, Texas. Last year it was held, I think, in Nashville, right? Yeah. And so, that's what today's vlog is going to be about. Well, I guess it's weekend. So it's put on by CD Baby, and CD Baby is a distribution company. Thank you. And they help independent artists get their music out to places like Spotify, iTunes, etc., etc. Not only are they that, but they hold a conference called the DIY Musician Conference for independent artists. And so I'm an independent artist, and I got my husband with me, and we're gonna go to some of these sessions. It was really cheap when we registered. We did the early bird joint. It was like $99.
Yeah, it might have been cheaper than that.
Probably cheaper than that. And we just paid right away because right now, I think, or right before you came, it was like 100 and something.
Yeah,
so
like $199 or something.
$199.
Yeah. And that's just for registration for the conference, so it's not even like room.
Yeah.
Or because you can book the hotel.
Yeah.
Because it's being hosted in a hotel.
Yeah.
You can do that too.
Yeah.
But we grabbed the Airbnb.
Yeah.
That we'll be staying at.
Yeah, because the conference is being held at a Hilton, and so Hilton, money bags. So so we're here in Austin, Texas. It's pretty cool. Oh no, it's not. It's 98 degrees. Forget it. I thought it was cheap. Cooler than that. I guess I should say we left our RV this morning at like 6 a.m. It's now 9. No, we left like 6:30. It's now like 9:17-ish. So I'm tired. I'm falling asleep and stuff. They have nice art here. Yeah. Ooh, I like it. They say what they say. They keep Austin weird.
Yeah.
Ready to see some of that.
Parking.
So now we gotta find parking. Searching for parking.
Austin.
There's a park thing right here. I don't know how much that costs though. Austin Visitor Center over there. We'll probably explore some of this like on break or at lunch or something. All right, so I think he found parking. Right. We're parked.
Yeah.
Yay. How much was it?
$3.
Really, for 3 hours?
Yeah. Just about. It's like might have been like $3.20.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
DC, take notes.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we are in Austin. We're trying to walk to. It's supposed to be held at Austin Hotel, at Hilton in Austin. I'm trying to find our way around.
Yeah.
We think this is it, but we shall see.
Yeah.
Once we get in there. How you feeling, Fox?
I'm nervous.
She's nervous.
Meeting all these other musicians and independent artists.
People just like you.
I know.
Yeah.
But I still get nervous about it.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to figure it all out. Also, it's hot.
Yeah. Starting to warm up. Starting to warm up.
B, no. So yeah, sorry. you was chasing me out. So anyway, but yeah, I'm nervous. But I'm excited. I'm excited to learn a lot of things, possibly make connections, meet people, and yeah.
Yep. All right, so we made it. Hi guys. We are at the DIY conference.
Yeah.
It's going well so far.
Recording in front of a lot of people right now.
Yep, but it is what it is. We're probably gonna get something to eat.
Yes.
So find some.
It's lunchtime.
Yeah, lunchtime.
It's the break on the first day. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Feeling good?
Yeah, that's cool.
I know that y'all can still still here.
Yeah.
Professional sound.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been really cool.
Yeah.
It's been really cool.
It's hot outside.
Yeah. I told Jamal that I'm trying to make friends, but like I'm not really good at small talk, nor do I like it. I like to just get in and be like, can we be besties?
Yeah.
And stay in touch forever.
Yeah.
Like tell me your life story.
Yeah.
But I just kind of inch next to groups that I see, and I'm like sitting there like, talk to me.
Yeah.
Just because I'm socially awkward. No,
Yeah.
Other than that, everybody's like,
Yeah. And so yeah, this is just the first day too. So we're gonna be here.
I got 2 days. I want to leave with at least one friend.
Or at least contact.
Okay, sorry. At least one contact.
Yeah, friends should be
Let me
developed
not get
over
ahead of
time. I'm just saying,
myself.
developed
Yeah.
over time.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think you'll be able to have a lot of. It's possible.
Yeah.
It's possible. And we'll be working together, so I can help you.
And it's so cool. Like I feel like there's also so many people that I know that should be here right now.
Yeah.
I feel like it'd be really helpful.
Yeah. Same. So we will record more later. We're gonna try to find something to eat that's affordable, and come back for the next sessions. So more later, guys.
Oh, our strategy.
Strategy.
We've been, because there's different things that we want to go to, and there's two of us, we have an advantage that we can split up.
Split up,
He'll go
take notes,
somewhere,
yeah.
I'll go somewhere else, I'll take notes, he'll take notes.
Yep.
And we just share it at the end. That's
Yep.
our strategy at this point. So.
Yes.
Of course, not to say Meg actually be in there.
Yeah.
Maybe we should record the audio.
That's what I did.
You have?
Yeah.
I've been failing.
You're not failing. It's okay, because I mean it's mainly for you. So if you're in there,
You too.
it's mainly for you.
Also, Miles is going to be making beats later.
I don't know if I'm gonna be making beats.
We're getting tips to make
Yeah.
beats.
Yeah.
He be making beats, he's good at it. Like, he be lying.
Anyways, so more later, guys. See ya.